Hi there, so Copic markers, when blending, they're really useful for blending, and particularly the brush area. But you know, when I'm just doing areas and I'm blending over another colour like this red there for instance, and then I want to go to a totally grey area, you find that it's absorbed some of the red colour. So what I usually do with that is I just have a sheet of scrap paper at the side, and then I scrape the red until it's disappeared. You can use tissue or something else like that, but that's usually what I do with these Copic markers, because it becomes annoying. Sometimes you can forget, and then you're transferring colour, maybe that red up there where you don't want red, and I'm setting areas on this. It's like a Pennywise drawing. Still working through it, but yeah, so a little tip, hope it's useful. Cheers now.